Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit the green screen video or green screen photo in CapCut PC easily. So this is basic tutorial, and I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. So import your green screen video or green screen photo to CapCut. And for example, I'm going to select this green screen image, and you can remove the green color. Just click cut out, and you can select chroma key and select color picker. Select the green color and adjust for the strength, and then shadow. Refine opaque, and you can move up, and then you can add the background. So for example, just drag and put in bottom of the clip like so, right? That's how you can edit the green screen in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. So thank you so much for watching.